For those of you who want to customize your user interface even further, if you're familiar with other software applications that use a lot of toolbars and along the side or along the top, you can actually customize those in Business Center as well. To do that, the first thing I want to show you is this quick access toolbar is one that comes with the software, and you can move it from the top or below the ribbon, so kind of put it in a different spot if you use that quite a bit. You can always put more tools on there until you run out of room, but if you want to make your own toolbars, you can pretty much go to any ribbon here, and in the gray area where there's no commands, just right click and select customize here at the bottom underneath lock the toolbars. This is going to bring up a customize toolbar option, and there is a browser toolbar set here by default. You can click new, and you could enter a new one, so like edit if you wanted to, and you can dock it or float it, so you can choose how you want it created. So when you click OK, it creates an empty bar here, and what you're going to do is then go over to the commands panel, and you're going to go to any of the ribbons you see here. So if I was to go into edit, you see here that I can bring in other commands. So if I'm going to bring in the edit, I can just drag and drop that into here. I could then do maybe a delete. Let's expand this out a little bit. Alright, so we'll just drag and drop it in, and you want to get that little icon there to show up. Alright, and you just drag it this way so it moves out. Maybe you want properties, maybe you want to put that one over there first. Alright, so I can sit here and reorganize this. So basically I can just keep coming in here and adding more toolbars. So I can come over here and add a move, I can add a scale, and I can add a copy. Okay, and I can slide that over. Now when I'm done, I can hit close. You can go to options, and you can kind of personalize the menus in the toolbars here. You could use large icons or large icons on the toolbar, so if you want to make those even bigger, you can do that as well. You can format it in different shapes, so I can put it this way, I can put it this way. And then when I close it, what you can do is if you want to dock it, you can bring it up here, and I can dock it above. I can over here to the right, I can dock it over here, or I can come over here and dock it over here. So you have the options to really customize your user interface even greater with this feature.